So all that was amazing. What we learned today about health. I'm sure that every one of us would have a lot of learnings to take care of. For me personally, I am a health freak, but then in between I started eating a lot and then not taking care of my health, taking it for granted. So we have to remember that health is wealth, and that is more than money actually. No matter how much we earn, if we don't take care of our health, we will mess it out, and we will actually spend more time and
Hello.
money on maintaining that.
Yes,
So
yes, I'm meeting only, no?
can someone mute Shiva? Yes. So health is a real wealth which will last for longer time. Money can be gotten got easily more than health. So up next we have very good speakers lined up. Satya, please
Yeah,
confirm.
Shivanand sir is back.
Okay, Shivanand is back. Okay, thank you so much. So we have a very good session now based on confidence. He talks about confidence, doubling up your confidence. He is very confident to take this session. I'm very glad to introduce him. He is Mr. Shivanand G. He's a confidence and accelerated growth hacker. He's also a life coach and a member of NLP. He's a constant learner and researcher, and he implements what he speaks. He has a very good experience of more than 15 years in various genres, be it business, career, or whether it be teaching to entrepreneurs and teachers. So let us hear from him what he has to talk about confidence. Let us build our confidence, also self-esteem. Over to you, Mr. Shivanand.
Thank you, Vanya. Thank you so much. I'm sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
Sir, share your PPT.
Thank you.
We can share your desktop. Uh, we
So
can
can you
see
see?
your desktop. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you so much for Amplify platform, the CEO, Mr. Kushal and his team. They've really done a wonderful job since from past 1 week, especially. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you. That's the first thing. Second thing, if you're watching live, I know many people are watching live, and thank you so much for you also, because today is a transformation day. We are celebrating, and you want to transform your life. That's what absolutely right. So this is the first thing I wanted to tell you. The major key to your better future is you. That's this quote is from Jim Rohn. Okay, so we need not look at outside. So this is very important. Don't look at outside. We need to look at within ourselves. That's what many speakers told you, right? In fact, thank you so much for Naveen also. It's been wonderful session. Naveen has given how to address your midlife crisis, and also Madhu also. Absolutely. So thank you all the speakers who has really shared their valuable knowledge. And once again, I welcome you everyone. Okay. So let's get started without wasting our time. What is the one thing? See, from the past couple of weeks, I had been in discussion with so many people, with so many friends, so many relatives. What is the one thing? They're facing issues. They're constantly worried a lot. I can't handle any more situations. I'm really frustrated. I'm feeling frustrated in life, job, whatever business I'm doing, in relationship, whatever the area you take. I'm feeling really frustrated. Okay. And then sometimes I used to watch YouTube videos, some motivational videos. I keep move forward for 1 week or 2 weeks as long as I have energy. But again, I'll be stuck, right? I feel very shy. I feel very shy. That's what, right? You'll not go out, you'll not reach out the many people in the world. You'll not reach out the unknown people. You'll not talk to unknown people. You feel like very shy, even in the office, even in the business. You don't want to chase your customers. Don't want to send the emails to your customers. You want to talk to your customers, right? It happens multiple times, and you feel like boring, stuck. You feel like stuck. I don't have time. I don't have money. to chase my dreams. I don't have good relationship, and too many things are there to choose in my plate. I'm feeling very insecure, right? That's what you're feeling. So many things are going on. Then my question to you is, how do you address these kind of such things? Do you want to address it? Of course you want to address it, right? That's why you came here to learn something, right? So how do you want to address it? But my next question is, how to prepare for any sorts of uncertainties? You want to prepare, right? You want to build your rock solid future. Who don't want to build their future, right? Whatever, whoever may be, you are a businessman, you are a coach, you are a trainer, and you are a teacher, you are a lawyer, you are a doctor, whoever may be, even you are a home worker. You want to build your future, right? You want to deal with all sorts of uncertainties. You want to deal with your spouse, with your spouse, your friends, your relatives, in your office. But my question is, how you are going to deal with that? That's my question. Just question yourself how you want to. Of course, there is a solution. There is a solution. What is that? The first thing is, shift yourself, pivot yourself. You need to shift yourself. See, I'm not telling you too much transformation is required, too much change is required within you, but slight shift or slight pivoting yourself is enough to give you the massive results. That's what I'm going to tell you, right? Slight shift is enough. That's why you came here and you want to learn something and you want to implement something, right? So learning is not enough, guys, ladies and gentlemen. You need to implement it. We know so many things. We have all sorts of degrees, certificates. We know so many things, but we need to implement even small steps. Small things, if you implement, you will get the massive results. Do you agree that? If you agree, just comment it if you are watching right now in the live. My second thing is having amazing confidence and self-esteem. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have amazing self-confidence and self-esteem, you can do a wonderful things, no doubt. If you are a coach or if you are a trainer, you can record your videos and podcast very efficiently and very easily, and you will not feel very easily you can do it. And you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin, whatever you may be, black, you may be white, you may be tall, you may be short. I know you are going to, you feel very confident and comfortable. If you feel very confident and comfortable in your own skin, you will define your own terms, right? You will not dependent on anybody. You will not depend on your friends. You will not dependent on your relatives. That's what I'm telling you, right? The next thing is, you will stop making excuses, all sorts of excuses you will make. You will avoid all those things, and you will start taking uncomfortable actions. That's what you will do it, right? And you will stop worrying. We always worry a lot, right? What others are thinking about me? Oh my god, what he or she is thinking about me? I'm black, I'm not smart enough, I'm been rejected so many times, I failed in the interviews, right? We worry a lot about others, but we will stop that one. And you are going to deal with all sorts of uncertainties. That's what I'm going to teach you some, okay, something, okay, how to address all sorts of uncertainties. No matter what the situation right now you are in your business, in your career, but you will able to deal with very efficiently. That's what you are going to do, right? And you overcome fear and shyness permanently. If you have amazing confidence and self-esteem, you are going to overcome fear and shyness. There is no doubt at all. You will not, right? And if you are rejected or criticized so many times, even in my career, in my life also, I've been rejected and criticized so many times, but I know how to come back very quickly. And you can also come back very quickly and handle it very efficiently when you have amazing confidence and self-esteem. Do you agree? If you agree, just comment it when you are watching live. Thank you. Thank you so much. And moreover, you will believe in your own skills. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very important. Sometimes we devalue ourselves. We don't believe our skills and abilities, right? So that's why when you have amazing confidence and self-esteem, you start believing in your own abilities and skills. Do you agree? So that's what you want to learn, right? You want to build your confidence and self-esteem. That's what you are interested, right? You want to handle everything, whatever comes in your future. You want to build your future. If that is the case, here is the thing: how to double your confidence and self-esteem, even if you feel shy and less motivated. right? So this is Shivanand speaking here in front of you. I love you so much. Who are watching live here, you can comment it. You can ask me the question later. I'm going to personally reply to you. Okay. So thank you guys. So let's get started. So in the past, I have done a lot of things right and wrong. Absolutely, everybody does, right? We're all human beings, guys. Whatever the issues are, whatever situation right now we are in, it is quite natural. It's a quite natural. Everybody goes through those kind of situations, right? So likewise, I also done a lot of things right and wrong. I've been very highly procrastinator. I want to do something critical task, but I'll keep on postponing 1 month, 2 months. I never do it. I was a overthinker, too much thinking. What if I fail? What will happen? What's that if I fail, right? And always try to be in comfort zone. I'm highly introvert in nature. Now I'm speaking in front of you because of I have so much confidence that I can speak in front of everyone, whoever may be a number of audience. I can speak in front. I was highly introvert by even in my college studies also, even my degree college, even in my work also. I never reached this people. Okay, so higher level. That was me actually. But do you want to change yourself? Right? That's what you wanted to be. You want to shift yourself. That is required, right? So like I have experienced many challenges, failures, and rejections in my career. Absolutely, you also have, right? Even if you're businessman, you're in business, coach, a trainer, teacher, whoever, whatever the profession you are in, you also experience a lot, many challenges, many failures, many rejections, right? Absolutely. I started studying and researching a lot. I started experimenting on few things, and I worked on myself, spent thousands hours of learning, and I'm part of the masterminds within India, outside as well. Right. So this is what is required during uncertainties. We need to be with right-minded people, right? We need to be with right-minded people, and then only. So what is my biggest challenge, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, 1,000 hours. I cannot put you in front. I cannot put it in front of you, right? So how do I condense 1,000 hours of knowledge and get amazing results? That's my biggest challenge. Then so that I'm here. I'm so excited here. I'm so excited really to share with you some of the few steps, some of the secrets, some of the myths, you can say whatever. Okay, you need not go through the same cycle. You need not go through the same cycle. Learn from other experience from other people, right? Work under some coaches or trainers, whatever. So that will accelerate your career or your business, whoever may be, right? So let's quickly move forward. Let's quickly. Do you see this image, right? How much shouting, how much crying he is, right? What is happening inside? What is that voice is telling himself, right? So this voice is the inner voice. What is that? This voice is inner voice. That means we need to deal with inner voice. That means the inner villain. You need not look at outside. That's what I told you, right? It is your inner voice. Whether it is loud, you just try to listen to that inner voice. If it is loud, you need to suppress it, right? You need, otherwise you will not progress in your career or business, right? Then you need to deal with failures and rejection in a very more responsive way. That's what I'm telling you, right? You need to deal with failures and rejections. But how, Shwanand, how I have to deal with that? The first thing is you need to listen to that inner voice. I'm not telling avoid that inner voice. Inner voice will come pop up and again whenever you want to do something else, right? So that is what this inner voice, you need to suppress it. But the point is how? The first thing is you need to help yourself. You need to look within yourself. That's what it is required, right? Absolutely, you agree, right? If you agree, just type in. If you comment it, I'm going to reply to you later. Okay, the first thing is you need to help yourself first. What is that one thing inner voice is cause? I'm going to ask you one question right now. If okay, one question later you can do it. So what is that inner voice in the past? Maybe 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, whatever. Okay, it has costed you in the life. Can you write it? Absolutely. You just write it. Okay, Shivanand, I have lost 1 year, 2 year, 5 because of so and so inner voice. It's popped up again and again, so that I did not trust my own abilities and capabilities. Just write that one sentence. That's well and good enough. Okay, so this inner voice costed me 1 year, 2 year, 5 years. So that how to handle that? That's very important, right? Let's keep moving forward. Okay, what is the type of inner voice we are getting again and again? What is it costed you in the life? Okay, what is the self talk is coming again and you, right? So many times, even I also got it right. I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, and no one cares me, no one loves me, no one help me, no one cares me. I'm not proud husband, I'm not proud father, I'm not a proud mother, and I can't do it anymore. I can't handle pressure. I can't talk to this manager anymore. I can't do this business anymore. I'm doubting my abilities constantly, and I'm worrying a lot. I don't have that capability. Don't do this one. You don't have that skill, this skill, right? You don't go and talk to that customer. He's very rough, he's very rude. I can't work with this boss, right? So many things are coming in our head, right? So these kind of inner voice, you can just call it a stupid voice, or the shit codes, you can call it as whatever, you can just name those kind of stuffs. Okay, whatever that comes, right? These kind of stupid talks coming again and again in our head, and it will stop our progress. Ladies and gentlemen, do you agree? If you agree, just agree in the type in the comment box. If you have any questions, I'm going to reply, right? Okay, so this kind of the stupid inner voice, these have costed us a lot in the past. Okay, be it 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, 10 years. We need to address first, before going for any venture, anything. We need to address these things, right? Who don't want to address? Everybody want to address, right? My next question to you is, can you write 10 amazing things about you? Can you write it? 10 amazing things. It is very difficult, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very difficult. We can write 10 amazing negative things about ourselves, right? We can write 10 or 20 negative things about ourselves, whatever I have listed here, right? I'm not good enough, I'm not smart, I don't have this skill, that skill, excess skills, right? We can write so many things, but can we write 10 amazing things about ourselves? It is very difficult. Just experiment it. Try to write it in the paper, then you feel how much difficulty you will feel it. Absolutely right. It's very difficult. So what is the thing? Next thing, Shiv. Yes, absolutely. What is the next thing? You need to love yourself, ladies and gentlemen. This is very important. You need to love yourself. You need to value yourself. That's where the transformation comes into picture. That's what many people told, right? The transform yourself first. Okay, shift yourself first. Pivot yourself first. Then everything starts changing. Absolutely right. Everything starts changing automatically. Do not worry about that. This is thing. So today you want to learn something, to want to implement something. You are attending. That's why you attended. You are attending this live session. Absolutely, I'm very thankful for that. The first step you have taken. You have attended, and you are learning something, right, from various speakers. That's amazing thing, right? So be in yourself. Stop hating yourself. Appreciate your uniqueness. Everybody has uniqueness, right? You have unique power is there. You just identify that one. Okay, that should come out. Don't hate yourself. That's what I'm trying to look within yourself very closely, right? That's what, and you start believing in yourself. That's what the confidence and self-esteem will come into picture, right? If you don't trust yourself, then who else is going to trust you? Absolutely right. Then stop comparing yourself with anyone. Your journey is different, the other's journey is different. Do you agree? Right? Our journey is different, my journey is different, your journey is different, everybody else's journey is always different, right? Don't compare with anyone else, and try to see yourself as more powerful as possible, ladies and gentlemen. So this is very important. And until you love yourself, nobody is going to love. Nobody is going to love. You should love yourself first. That's what I'm telling you, right? So now let's move forward. Shiv, what is the next step? Shivanand or Shiv, whatever. What is the next step? Ladies and gentlemen, there is a path, right? There should be a path for everything. For all the problems, there should be a path, right? You should follow that path. If somebody comes to you and tell you the path, do you want to follow that path? Absolutely right. So you need to follow that path. There should be some path. Okay. What is that path? What is that path? Ladies and gentlemen, there are two choices. There are two choices, right? One choice is try to do it all of this alone. You can watch YouTube, you can watch on any social media platform, you learn from that, but you know, right? A lot of huge content will be there, and you don't know which content is useful for me. Tons of content is there. You'll be confused. You'll be overwhelmed with a lot of information, right? And you lost yourself and you will be confused. You don't know what to do and your focus get distracted a lot, right? So that's very, and you will not move forward at all sometimes, and you have energy only for few hours, only for few weeks, then you will lost yourself, you will not move forward, right? Of course this is not advisable for anyone. I also done a lot of mistake in the past. I try to do it alone. That is not advisable, ladies and gentlemen. What is the next step? Okay, get it right at the first time by being coached. A lot of mentors are there, a lot of coaches are there, a lot of trainers are there, right? So throughout day one and day two, tomorrow also you'll be learning a lot, right? You should work under a few mentors and coaches. In the past I had worked under different mentors and I got amazing results and valuable results. There is no doubt. That's why I'm speaking in front of you, right? So if you want to accelerate your career, if you want to move forward, if you want to fast track your business as a coaching and training, your teacher, whoever may be, or either you maybe home worker also, there is no doubt at all, right? You will fast because there is a specific path will be there. They've gone through that situation, they've gone through that path, and they are giving it you the ready-made, the fast track solution. If you work under them, definitely you are going to fast track your career. Absolutely right. If we agree, just step. Otherwise, what happened? In the past, I know you have worked alone. I'm sorry, you have worked alone a lot. 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. You spent a lot of time, right? Spent a lot of time. There is no doubt. If you do again and again the same thing, you will get the same result. Do you agree? Absolutely right. You want to shift yourself, you want to pivot yourself, you want to transform yourself, but you need to do different things. If you do different things, you will get the different results. Do you agree? Just comment it. I'd love to hear, right? So my question to you, you just try to do different things and you will get different results. Work under coaches and trainers, mentors. I'm not telling you work with me. If you resonate with me, you can just come. Okay. If you resonate with some coaches and trainers, just go and work with them. Absolutely fine. Okay. So that you can fast track your career or business, whatever. And that's very important, ladies and gentlemen. During uncertain times, we need to shift, pivot ourselves. This is the first thing. And second thing, work under different coaches and mentors who will resonate with you. You will get amazing results, right? And of course, by having amazing confidence and self-esteem, ladies and gentlemen, what is absolutely one thing you are going to get, right? You will get out of your comfort zone, right? Always we are in comfort zone. We don't want to go out of our comfort zone. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, you need to go out of your comfort zone, right? Always, that is called as the stretch zone. You need to stretch yourself more, otherwise we'll be in the same zone, right? And we have a lot of fear and hesitation. Of course we need to eliminate it, right? It will go away. You will take bold and courageous decisions, which is critical. You will have a lot of clarity in yourself, what I need to do, how I need to progress, right? And you feel like more comfortable and confident in your own skin. This is very important, guys. Anything you want to do, you want to venture into new business, you want to do some online business, you want to reach out new customers, right? You want to start something else, you need to be feel comfortable and confident. You want to record your videos, and you will do it more confidently. You want to record your podcast, you will do it more confidently, right? You will never make any excuses. You will start taking uncomfortable actions, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely right. And you know how to deal with your emotions. You will manage your inner voice in a more responsive way. There is no doubt at all. You will manage it. Absolutely. And you will stop worrying what others are thinking of you. Of course, you are in the business, you will scale. You will scale to double. You will scale to 10x, no issues at all. Right? So, by having amazing confidence and self esteem, you will define your own terms, not your friends, not your relatives, right? Not others people. You start defining your own future. You start defining your own way. Absolutely right. So, by having amazing confidence and self esteem, right? So this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. So what is that? What is that? So if you are interested to know more, if you want to increase your confidence, if you want to double your confidence and self-esteem, so that you want to handle anything, everything in your life, you want to build your rock solid future, you want to build, right? These are the links, ladies and gentlemen. Send me a message. Would love to hear from you. Absolutely. Would love to hear from you. Right? And this is my Facebook link. Okay. You can just join me in Facebook link. And this is my Instagram. I would love to hear from you. If you are interested to know more, okay, absolutely. Confidence and self-esteem is very important before going into any kind of things. Whoever may be, your trainers, coaches, your teachers, or you are a homemaker, whoever may be right now, we need to build our future. We need to shift ourselves. We need to pivot ourselves. This is highly important in this uncertainty. You want to shift, right? So if you want to know more, if you are interested to know more, just reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Absolutely. Absolutely. Follow me on Instagram. I'm not much into social. Okay. I'm not much into social. Okay. So that's why. So I'd love to hear from you. Okay. Anything. So that is what this double your confidence and self-esteem. Direct message me and email me. Reach out to Amplify platform. You are absolutely, they are going to help you a lot, right? So thank you so much for watching me. If you're in live, I thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you a lot. Okay. And thank
Awesome,
you
awesome
the
session.
host. Thank you, Kushalji. Thank you, Amplify platform. This is my great privilege. Okay. Thank you so much for everyone who has attended live. Okay. So it's
Awesome
amazing.
session, Sivanand. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for joining us, and we are really grateful to you for building our confidence and also self-esteem. So, what do you think, Satya? Did you enjoy the sessions today morning?
Yes, sir. Very
What
super sessions.
What were your biggest takeaways today?
Every speaker shared that personal experience. That was one with touched heart. So every
Wow, that's
speaker.
amazing.
Ivana, sir, can you stop share screen, please?
Yeah, I'll do that.
So, what was your biggest learning, Satya, if I may ask you
Yeah,
personally?
health is wealth. We have to take care of health, a very good health, natural diet, and also we have more health today. How to handle disorders, parenting. Each and every session was very awesome, and they have said personal experience. If you take Rajesh sir and also everyone, they have shared their personal experience. So it touches many people's a personal experience is the one to inspire others. So I think it inspires others, and also they will follow the steps and tips which was given by all the speakers.
Very true, very true.
What
Even
a,
yes, yes. I also learned a lot of things. What I learned is basically to live a holistic life. It is not only about money making. It is not only about relationship or only about career. But we need to have health, wealth, build business, everything coming along together. For me, especially last year actually, before the coronavirus came, I was planning to run. I'm an athlete also, so I participated in national athletics in my category, and all the learnings which I learned from Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. You must be knowing Stephen Covey, right? So I learned so many things from there, and I implemented those in the athletics. Can you imagine? So it was the intellectual knowledge we actually lost. I ran for Tamil Nadu, and then we all our team members lost in all the games, and we were thinking of going back home. But then I told, okay, let us team up. Even if we are not very good at what we are doing, we will not be excellent, but we as a team are good average. Let's team up. Let's not go back home. Let us run relay, which was the last event. Then we all teamed up together and we ran and we practiced in the morning, the baton exchange and everything. And what happened was we won the gold medal. So that was a really good example of what I learned from Stephen Covey, the leadership principles, and applied here. So I think similarly, we can also use all these holistic ways to build ourselves up.
Very good, good to hear, Vanya. So the life, we have to transfer our life means we have to change some habits of ours. So as you said, you're last, not in losing or winning the game. It is confidence and you and how you predicate yourself. It is very important. So here you have confidence. You have thought very good way to win the game. So that was very good to hear. So in this process today and tomorrow, 80 plus speakers are speaking and sharing their knowledge. So keep watching till from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. so that you can learn many things, many sessions. Now health, spiritual, relationship, leadership, business, wealth. These all are very important for ourselves. So as we are, as Navin sir said, food and wealth is very good. Shelter is very important for us. Love what you have. Don't expect what you don't have. So if you love yourself, first transformation starts with you. If you transform yourself, you can transform your family, then your surroundings, then environment, society, world, country, everything will transform. So keep positive, spread positivity, avoid negative thoughts so that you will be confident and you will have very good future for your success. So that was very good. And so all these seven speakers as wonderful speakers, they have given extraordinary knowledge. We have to implement that. Information will get everywhere. We can read books, we can search it in Google, or you can YouTube it. But implementation leads to your success. Information does not lead to your success. Implementation, you have to take action towards the success. Then only your success will come to you. What do you say, Vanya?
Very true, Satya. I am really happy to be part of this WTD, World Transformation Day. And we are glad that so many people are joining from YouTube and many are being benefited. So what is up next? What is up next, Satya?
Next
After
is
this,
spiritual, sir.
we have spiritual session. So it is very important, right? Where we have to have strong belief system.
After health, spiritual is important.
Yes. So we have also next MCs lined up. Who are those, Satya? Would you like to introduce them?
Privil and Tasneem, sir. Tasneem.
Okay, awesome. So Privil and Tasneem will join us soon.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Tasneem. Welcome, welcome. Privil, welcome. So we will share the song, the World Transformation Day song.
Actually,
Before,
Hi.
after that, you can take over the session, ma'am.
yes. Anitaji, you want to tell something? Anybody wants
Oh,
to
you
comment?
people are rocking the stage. Okay, I just want to say you're doing the best as the starters in the stage for the MC role. So please go ahead and energize more and more and give the energy to the next MCs over there and share your personal view also and also boost the speakers more and more ahead. Thank you so much, Satya and Vanya, for this.
It's our
Thank you so much, Anitaji, for all those kind words and motivation. So lined up are so many other speakers today. So you don't have to miss today's sessions because they will all energize you and make you a better person and to also transform the world, not just your world, but the world of others. So let us hear this